We're going camping again.
Yes, sir! Remember last time we went to Sunrise?
Yeah. But this time,
Iba-iba.
papunta kaming Franco Elys sa may
Yes. Ako
Eden, Bayabas.
Yes.
Eden, akala ko Toril.
Toril. Ang Eden.
Toril.
Oh. Let's go! Let's go, Jay!
Let's go daw.
Let's go!
I've got my back, it's time to go on a journey, the world's my show. With a map and a smile on my way, new adventures every day. Traveling far, under the stars, across the seas, where dreams are free. New places to find, leaving worries behind. Traveling the world, feeling so alive. Mountains high and valleys low. In every place there's more to know. With every step I feel so free. The road ahead is calling me. Traveling far, under the stars, across the seas, where dreams are free. New places to find, leaving worries behind. Traveling the world, feeling so alive. Meeting new friends and seeing new sights under the sun and the moonlight nights. With open hearts and open eyes.
Yun, we're here sa guys. Nakaabot na to dito sa Elys. Rico Elys. Look. Yan mula sila friendly na dog. Pero hadlock. Hello! Oh, friendly. Hi. Dako kayo. Hadlock. Pero friendly. Let's tour. Sleep pa sila. Hi. Natulog. Ate! We're here. Yun, no? Mauna yung place. Swimming pool. So, to me today kasi kami lang ang guest today. Wala lang nakabook. So, solo na mo lugar, guys. Come here. Look, there's a dog.
Summer?
There's a dog. Oh. It's friendly, man.
Is that summer?
No, it looks like summer, no?
Yeah.
It's friendly. You can pet. Go.
Huh?
You can touch.
pet?
Oh, yeah.
Is that someone's dog?
Yeah, it's the bantay here. Mabait man siya, mabait siya. Go. You can pet. Oh, look. I can hold. Oh, go. Don't be afraid.
Hey, don't follow me.
Gusto niya kasi i-pet mo siya.
Oh, sige.
Go. Oh, see? Don't be afraid. Hi, ma'am. JJ, we're here. Oh, your sleeper.
Hey, don't spell me.
Nakakatakot, no? Grabe ka laki na aso.
It's even taller than me.
Yeah. JJ.
Rock?
Yes,
Did you lost the rock?
yes, I lost the rock. I tapped on it.
Na, sana yun?
Ay, hapon it. Yeah, almost done.
Hey, spider! This spider!
Sige, thank you, boss.
Spider?
Yan o!
Saan? Saan?
Gusto ka ba yan, Jay?
Osan? Adi dyan? Yeah.
Hindi mo yan kadadabi. Kung makatusok pa yan. Matusok mo ba yung sarili mo ba?
Hayaan mo yan para matuto yan.
Good.
Matusok ng kanyang sarili. Bahala siya dyan. Oh. Sige. Sige na, magtutok ka dyan. Napalo. Nadukduk na yung kamay niya. Mag-iyak. Oh, galit. Kasi ang kulit-kulit. Ay, nasa ko. Yun. Done fixing our tent. Time to relax. Ang mga kids kay mag-swimming pool. Yep. Parang napagod ka. Wala pa man. Oh, bihis na yan?
Ambot.
Ambot. There's the swimming pool. Yay. This is nice. Malamig ang tubig. Let's try. Oh, not really. Nice. A little bit lang. Not really cold.
I'm sure when Reggie goes to the water, I will. If
Oh,
it's cold, I will
ready
not
na
go
siya.
there. I want to go to the beach.
Kami, dada kami.
Okay, go. Let's go. No running, huh? No running. Oh, I told you no running. Madulas ka. Okay, you stay sa ano lang, ha? Mababaw. Remove your shoes.
Where's my shoes? Where can
Okay, go.
Daddy?
Oh, it's lalim. You wait for ate. Go. Diyan lang. Go. Whoopsie. Okay, don't go to lalim, ha? I will watch you here.
Ada, come here.
Hindi pa. Hindi mo na ako maligo kay may ayusin pa ako sa tent. You wait for ate.
Jeno! Maslide ka! Ate, can you get it?
I can't. It's too... Mommy, come down!
Oh, yan na.
Yes. Oh, we can ride on it.
No.
Go there. Oy.
Slide.
Kami super boy.
No, tumba.
No, daw.
Ah, kayak? May kayak? May kayak? Bye-bye! Bye, Oren! Bye! May kayak?
Hey, go.
Go! Wala lalo ka. Wala lalim.
Hindi ka man mapunta sa lalim kay may floater ka man.
That's so cold.
Wait, kunin ko yun. Stay there.
Dada, can you get the green thing?
Okay, go there.
That.
You can use this ate, oh.
Oh wait, I'm so dumb.
Hi, doggy. What's your name? Friendly. Mamsi.
Nag-upo si Summer yan.
Si Summer, hindi yan si Summer. Hindi ka maligo, Mams? Kain. Bigyan mo daw. Try mo daw siya bigyan isa.
Ikaw daw.
Matakot ka? Okay na daw. Baka bawal siya. Yuan? Ayaw niya?
Ayaw niya? Gusto niya tayo makita.
Ayaw.
Hindi siya sanay na ginasubuan.
Okay, makain ka. Okay.
Magpakain?
Oh!
Put it on the floor lang.
Wala, ang lubot! Ang lubot na kita sa video!
Go! Go! Careful! Oh, wow! Wow!
Dada, you jump to!
Later.
You just walk like this and then you jump. Yeah, up yourself. It's so cold. You gotta be doing like this because I have people inside.
Okay, wait. Oh! Mawala yung cup ko. Uy, ang lubot! Oh my God! Nakita sa video. Gali. JJ, malayo ka na! Hoy! Ano yan? Ginakuha niya yung cup.
Always try. Try going there.
Oh, no. Don't tulak. Oh, come here. Don't tulak ate. Ako na magkuha niyan. Hi, Jay. Mommy. All for ourselves.
Help me, I get you cold.
You're so cold na. Nagkakurog na ba siya?
Tama na, bis na tayo.
Na, asan yun mag-stop? Chillin'. Mamshi. Doggy. Bantay na ang campsite. Cheers, guys. Yung mga kids nag-swim pa. Ayan sila, oh. It's raining na. Dinner time, guys. Dinner time. Hi, guys. JJ. Nag-dinner namin, guys. Naghihapon ang mga best friend. Nag-start nag-ulan. Dili makita sa video. Pero nag-start nag-ulan.
Shoo!
Yep, update later. Yep. It's night time. Kumalag-dinner ng mga kids na nasa sulod sa tent. And yes sir, beer. Silipan na to ang mga kids. Oh. Hello. Hi guys. Good night, JJ.
I'm a watch later. Watch ko.
Watch ko. Good night. Okay. Say good night muna.
Okay. Good night.
Good night. Bye-bye.
The next day.
Good morning, Jay. Bakit mo ginigising sa ate?
May waking up ate.
Ayan sa ate, oh. Again.
She's sleepy man. Hindi.
Hayaan mo mag-sleep sa atin. Ano kawal? Huwag yan. Hayaan mo kayo sleepy pa yan. Good morning. Yeah. Very calm morning, guys. No. What's that? Snail. Huwag mo na tusukin.
Mamatay. Badad yun. Huwag mo tusok.
Hayaan mo lang. Oo, huwag mong galawin. He's-
Oh, it's inside the shell talaga.
I think it's inside.
I can see the eye.
You can see the eye?
Yes,
Oh, paano?
I can see the eye.
You say hi lang, hi.
Mushroom soup, guys.
Bakit tahimik yung kaysa dyan? Ano yung gawa niya?
Nag-ano ng water gun. Gising na si ate. How was your sleep? Good. Sign language na lang. You want mushroom soup, ate? Hindi. Tanggal shoes. Go. You know how to tanggal shoes? Careful. Very good. Go. Okay, go. Whoa. Whoa. It's so cold. Go. Go, just kick, Go, kick. Oh, see? Very good. Yes. It's cold daw, sabi ni JJ. It's cold. Go, Jay, kick. Help me. Help me. Oops, careful. Oh.
I will go above JJ.
Na, nakainom.
The water scratched me. Dada, the water scratched me.
Na.
I got it.
Ano ba yan?
Sarap ito ko slide. Utay. At help me. Oh. Dada, wait to find. I wait for it.
Hi, Jay. Ate Sophie. nakog disassemble sa tent. I'm so happy, wala lang tent. Nalakog pang hipos guys. Kanina lang mga food. So let's join the kids mag swimming pool. Let's go. You help JJ at yo, kawawa naman yun. Ate, you help. Come on. Ah. Hi guys. Oh, hey. Jay, hindi pwede mag-drink inside the pool. Dito lang. Bawal mag-drink diyan. Okay, very good. Hi. Okay, I'm gonna join you guys. Jump forward. Ha! Oh! Yay!
Bye.
JJ. Wow.
I'm the winner.
I'm the winner.
The piggyback.
Wait.
JJ. Piggyback. Piggyback ride. Ay.
JJ. Jay.
Ha, Jay. Dali.
Oh no.
Oh
no. Oops. Okay. Wait. Ilagay ko muna yung phone. Si JJ. Let's go na. Time's up na.
Okay, wait.
Okay, let's go na.
Okay, but that's the last jump.
Okay, last jump. Last jump.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, let's go, Jay. Let's go. We're gonna go home na. Ate, help JJ. Okay, very good. Bring your toys. Slowly lang.
Get this.
Okay. Hindi yan natin.
It's ours.
No. I found it there, oh.
Ow.
Oh, iwan mo lang yan. Let's go. Okay, slipper. Let's go. Very good. Ate, help JJ, ate. Let's go. We're done here. Hello. Mom. Prepare na guys. We're done here. Thank you. Franco, Elys camp. Thank you kayo. Thank you sa nasolo na mo ang campsite guys. Yep. Try ninyo dire. Super sulit. Tapos grabe ka accommodating ang owner. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Bye na.
Thank you all for
Bye-bye,
watching
bye-bye.
this here video.
Till next time.
Please like and subscribe.